I just wanna take you out and show you all. You already know that you're the perfect one.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. So this is like day one of me getting like my maintenance for the month. I do different things, but this time everything is in the same week because Valentine's Day is coming up, and I just feel like for Valentine's Day I just want to have everything together. Like I just want to have everything together for myself, not for my man, but for myself. We always preach self-love, self-care over here, not for anybody else, but for you, okay? For you. Today is Saturday and I'm headed to my girl Yana. She's an esthetician. She's gonna be doing a facial for me. I got some like issues going on up here. Hopefully she don't mess up my little edges because they look good today. Yeah, but yeah, so we're gonna be getting a facial, Brazilian wax, as well as a vajacial, getting our nails redone. I don't know if I'm gonna do something pink, but lashes, girl, I can't even think about everything that we getting because it's supposed to be a lot. It's supposed to be a lot. Like at the end of this, I'm about to be a whole different person. I'm gonna be the same person, but I'm gonna be a different person at the same time. But I'm rapping. I had a great sleep last night, so I just feel good. But yeah, let's go to get this facial.
I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna fly your face. Something that makes me look at you.
The skin, we removed the vellus hairs. We also removed the dead skin cells that's on the skin. And then I will show you like everything that's gonna be on the 4x4 afterwards, just to see. That's gonna be exciting. So some people like to dermaplane on dry skin, but I always like to moisturize. Yeah, use the oil just because it makes it more seamless. It's a lot easier to get. So there's no difference between the two. It's really just like the esthetician's preference. But I want to do it if someone has like really oily skin. I would just then dermaplane. My little tiny hairs. Look at that. But show your face. Show your face directly after. Yeah. It's giving baby butt. Like right here. We didn't even mask. We didn't even extract. Yeah, we gonna extract, y'all. We getting this right from here, and that's where our redness is here too. And your nose. Okay, so I am at my nail appointment. It's at 1 o'clock. I'm about to park right now. One of my nails broke yesterday when I took Cooper out to the bathroom, and I'm getting pretty much the same thing. Maybe just a different, nah. I'm getting the same color because I just like black, and since my hair is red, it just, yeah. So you see, like, it's real faded right now. real chippy. This one broke. Like, it's looking real crazy. And I need a filling like real bad. So let's get our nails done. Finally.
Shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, it's not your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a...
Does your nail tech play my music? I don't think so.
I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. When I pull up out front, you see the Benz on dubs. When I roll 20 deep, it's always drama in the club. Now that I roll with Dre, everybody show me love. When you sell like Eminem, you can play me a groupie love. Look, homie, ain't nothing changed. Roll down, G's up. I see exhibit in the cutting, man. Roll them trees up. If you watch how I move, you mistake before I play up here. Been hit with a few shells, but I don't walk with a limp. In the hood, in the lady saying 50, you hot.
Alright, so this is how my nails look. I got like this little line on the side because it just gives like a different dimension. I feel like you can't, girl, why I feel like you can't see it? Hold on. So yeah, this is the left hand. Once it focuses, focus on me. Alright, so yeah, this is how the left hand looks. So I just got this long line on the side just to give it some extra dimension. And this is the right hand. Same little shindig. It looks cute from like this angle, but like this, it look like weird, but it's cute. I like it. It gives it a nice cute contour to the nail. So now I have to head to get something to eat because my head gonna start hurting in a minute from this daggone bun, and I don't want that to happen. I'm gonna see y'all at Jazz, my girl. I love her because it always be a good vibe in here. She's playing some good music too. I love when my black techs, like my nail tech, she playing good music. My hairstylist, she playing good music. We going to get our hair done tomorrow. Oh snap, I gotta get some hair today too. And I kind of want to add like a lighter color to the buns, but I don't know. I'm about to go in here and get some hair because your girl is getting her hair done tomorrow. I had worked out this morning, y'all. It was a good workout, but I need to stretch some more. Like, I feel like I definitely need to stretch some more because I feel it. Ooh, but I'm about to go in here and get me some hair. I'm gonna see what they got because I don't know. I've never been to this one before, so we're gonna see. Ain't nothing's gonna change the crazy little games we play. Ooh, wee. Oh, wait. They have so much hair. Oh my. Oh wow. I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. No, you're not sure. So I'm sitting here because I'm early for my lash appointment, and I just remember how the girls were really having like $10,000 maintenance routines, $5,000 maintenance routines, because I was like adding up like how much I spent so far, and it's probably like $300-400, and tomorrow will be like $500, and then the wax would be like maybe like $600. But what? Maybe they would say self-care. Maybe they'd be saying self-care. Let me see, because I ain't gonna look. Let me see. Let me verify. I just see $30,000 maintenance week, $1,000 maintenance week, maintenance vlog. I feel like that's like a little reasonable. $500 maintenance vlog. I can't even talk, because like $30,000, $5,000 maintenance week. What are y'all getting? Like, I saw somebody was getting like Botox and stuff like that. I feel like when they be talking about maintenance, they're talking about like buying like self-care. Like, that's like a self-care app. Like when you're buying like jewelry and stuff like that, that's not really maintenance. That's more so like self-love, self-care. Cause maintenance, I'm thinking like you're maintaining yourself. I mean, I guess that's the same thing. I don't know. Tell me how y'all feel about that. I just like that weird. And I'm about to switch over. I mean, not that's weird, but I feel like that's like kind of like extreme. There we go. That's a better word. Extreme. I'm about to switch over to my phone because my battery's blinking. I forgot to charge it last night. Horrible vlogger. But the show don't stop until I say it's over, okay?
Whoa, whoa. Yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, you took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost.
Ooh, I'm back home now. Look at my lashes. Ooh, my hair. Look at my hair. We getting it done tomorrow, but my lashes came out so good. Why am I... Oh, there we go. My eye is a little red because don't do what I do. Hold on, let me pause this. Don't do what I do, okay? Don't wear your contacts to your appointment. You're supposed to take them off at your appointment, so that's why my eye is a little bit red. Just a little bit, just that eye too. My lash tech is so freaking adorable. She gave me this little goodie bag. So I was like, oh, it's probably some sweets in there. I just ate some food. And look, it's so cute. She gave like a little lip mask. We love using masks. And she gave some Sour Patches, Snickers, Hershey Kiss, and then some Reese's. And then she always just gives like the little lash brush that she used to brush your lashes and stuff. But that is so cute. Thank you so much. If you are watching, girl, thank you. I'm gonna tell her thank you again because I didn't know what was in there. But yeah, I'm about to go to sleep. Actually, I'm not about to go to sleep. I'm actually about to like wash my hair, but I'm gonna wait until like 8ish because you're really not supposed to get your lashes wet. I'm not gonna specifically try to get them wet, but they might get a little wet. Yeah, so I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else, let me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long.
Hello? Hello? It's a new person here? Oh my gosh. Y'all, she did so good. She always does good though. Like, every time. Okay, that's why I keep coming back. Look at that. I need to show y'all like the full everything. When I get with my girls, I'm gonna see if they can like, you know, get the full shebang bang, the full shebang bong. I try not to dye my hair too much because I was gonna dye it for this so it can just, you know, be nice. Not nice, but like fresh. Like when it's a fresh color with the hair, it just looks super good. Since there's a little bun buns in the back, she doesn't use a lot of hair, so that was a bummer. But it's still cute, don't get me wrong, it's still cute. I just wish I had my red to the root. To the root, it would have been even cuter. Okay, cause we still fly. Every day I get ooh, every day I am yeah. You see that edge right there? Can you see the edge? Can you see the edge? The edge. Alright, so now I'm on my way to go get my wax with Vanessa, and unfortunately Mother Nature has come to visit. Love that for me, love that for me. I have had my wax done on my period before, but I can't remember if it felt the same or if it felt different or what. So I'm just hoping that it don't hurt as much. But this period is like, I just feel it. You know what I mean? Like I just feel them walls shedding, just doing whatever they do. Yeah, now I can just feel it. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't hurt as bad, but this is the last thing I'm gonna do. I wasn't get my feet done, but I still have, did I tell y'all that? That's so embarrassing. It's not really embarrassing because it's like, it's life. But usually I get my feet done every month, and I guess I went too long because my nails were still looking good. So I guess I went too long and my nails grew very, very long, and it cut the side of my toe. So now it's a little scratch right there, and I just don't want to get it done with a scar right there. Like, I just don't want to take no chances, and then I get fungus, and then my my toe fall off or something. Like, nope, I'm not trusting it.
It just depends. Some people like they'll shower before they come,
I definitely shower before I come,
and they'll put a fresh one in, or they come in and then change it before we start.
put a fresh one in, because I know a lot of people be like, oh, I don't want to come on my period, like come get a wax when I'm on my period, but just put a fresh one in for you and for your waxer's sake, because nobody wants to see all that, you know what I'm saying? This late one on my labia, I'm like, I can't think right now.
Like, don't talk to me.
She know I cannot think.
I love it when people will be like in a full-blown conversation, and as soon as I'm about to pull, they just like pause.
Yes, that's me. I'd be like,
stop mid-conversation.
just wait. Look at my glasses fogging up now.
Deep breath in.
Okay, it wasn't bad. She's rubbing my leg. Make me feel better.
It really hurts. I'll typically do this.
I'm
like,
oh yeah, do that.
It'll distract you.
No, you're not, no, you're nasty. No Uber out of my house, you caught a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding.
Ooh, okay, I feel really brand new now. I'm like super relaxed, because after the vajacial, I just get so like calm, because in there it just, she sets the mood for you to relax. So I love her. I love her so freaking much. So yes, I feel good. I hope you guys like this maintenance vlog. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. Let me know some other things that you do for your maintenance routines and like your monthly, weekly maintenance routines. Let me know, because I do want to try new things this year to just help my body, preserve my body, my youth, my beauty, you know, all of that good stuff. So let me know what you guys do down below in the comment section, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel, as well as follow me on the gram at naturally.sunny, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.
Tell me how you feeling.